Hey guys, welcome to Zolo Blocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the fancy list block to create beautiful product info in Gutenberg editor. Let's go. We will start with a /, then type container on the page and select the container block. Let's go with a single column layout. Before stepping ahead, let's go into the Container Extra tab and customize the padding values, just to make sure our initial layout has a proper content area. Then click inside the blank container, then type Fancy List in the search bar and insert the block. What you are seeing is the default appearance of the fancy list, containing a heading and a button, and 4 of them stacked on the screen. On your right, the options let you select a preset style for the list. There are 5 presets. Each varies depending on the active features. Check them out one by one. Of course, you can simply use the 4 buttons on your right to switch between presets depending on the combination. Note that you are inside the General section, under the Basic tab. Also note that some options will only reveal themselves when the corresponding feature is turned on, like the Show Media button. Now, if you go inside the Grid section below, you will find column and gap adjustment options. While the gap adjustment is for spacing the list items, the column option lets you select the number of columns for displaying the items. Additionally, the gap is divided into row gap and column gap adjustments, only visible if you click on the unlink icon. Now, shift to the list view. If you click on the arrow on the fancy list block, it will unfold and reveal the child list items. Yes, for ease of use, this block is divided into parent and child layouts. If you select a child list item, the option under the Basic tab changes into Content. That means now you can change the title and description, as well as add a link to the single item. Also, you can change the icon of the item. Just like that, go ahead and modify the rest. All set. Now go back to the parent fancy list from the list view and then go inside the Style tab. This time, you will be doing appearance modifications. The first section is Items. Here, you can start with a border around the list of items. You can select a solid border type and then adjust the width, or simply choose None or Reset. With the border radius scroll bar, you can change the item box corners from sharp to round. Padding is important, as it helps you add symmetrical spaces around the content. And the margin option is there for offset adjustments and more. Below, the background option lets you choose a single color or a gradient color for the item background. You can easily change the color anytime. Not to forget, you can even choose an image as the background. And there's also your favorite box shadow option. With it, you can apply item shadows with custom position, color, behavior, and blur spread levels. There's also a hover background color option available, in case you want to add hover interactivity to your content and mesmerize your audience. Next is the Title section. Here, the first option is Typography, a combination of options to modify the text style. Here, you have font family, weight, style, transform, spacing, decoration, etc. So go ahead and customize the font as you like. After that, you can change the font color as well, for normal and also for hover. The next section is for the description text. You will also find the typography option at the top here, so better start with it. Then go for the text color. After that, go inside the Icon section. Here, you will find a couple of options including icon size, border, radius, padding, etc. Starting with the icon size, which you can easily change anytime. Use borders around the icons if you feel like it. Then, adjust the radius to make the corners a bit rounder. Then play with the padding. And lastly, the colors, both icon color and background color, and for both normal and hover modes. And you will end up with a nice-looking product info list. You've made it! Check how awesome it looks. But this is just the beginning. Venture your creativity with Zolo blocks to unlock more creative fancy list content designs. Take these demo patterns for inspiration. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with Zolo Blocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon!